Today, we have an exciting DIY tutorial that will add a touch of magic to any room. If you've ever wondered how to hang curtain lights effortlessly, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share a quick and simple method to create a beautiful curtain light display in your home. So let's get started. Step 1. Gathering the materials. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need a set of curtain lights, a measuring tape, adhesive hooks, and some transparent wire or fishing line. Once you have everything ready, we can move on to the fun part. Step 2. Measuring and preparing the area. To ensure a symmetrical and visually appealing display, it's essential to measure and prepare the area where you'll be hanging your curtain lights. Step 3. Installing the hooks. Now it's time to install the hooks that will hold your curtain lights securely in place. Step 4. Hanging the curtain lights. The most exciting part has arrived. It's time to hang the curtain lights and witness the magical transformation. Step 5. Powering and adjusting the lights. Now that the lights are beautifully hanging, let's power them up and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. A quick and simple method for hanging curtain lights that can instantly transform any space. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful.